Do you struggle with low back pain, tight hips, or feel like your lower belly sticks out even when you're lean? That could be lower cross syndrome, one of the most common posture and muscle imbalance issues, especially for people who sit a lot. Here's what's happening. Your hip flexors and lower back muscles are overly tight, while your glutes and abs are weak or underactive. The result? An anterior pelvic tilt, hips tilted forward, more curve in the lower back, and compensations in posture. You might also notice a lower belly pooch or sway in the hips. This imbalance doesn't just affect how you look standing, it also changes how you move, and it can lead to pain in the lower back, hips and knees. Here are the main causes: sitting too long, neglecting glutes in training, and focusing too much on crunches without strengthening the core. Alright, let's fix this. Step 1. Lengthen the tight muscles. First, the hip flexor stretch. Get into a lunge, push your hips forward, and reach your arm overhead. Hold and breathe. Next, child's pose. Sink back, stretch out your lower back, and relax into it. Also add a light hamstring stretch to avoid too much pull at the back. Step 2. Strengthen the weak links. Glute bridges for glute work. Drive through your heels, squeeze your glutes at the top. Planks for deep core work. Keep your core tight, ribs pulled down. Bird dogs to train spinal stability. Extend opposite arm and leg and hold. Step 3. Postural retraining and ergonomics. Be aware of how you sit and stand. Align ears over shoulders, shoulders over hips. Set up your workspace properly. Chair height, support, and breaks. Use reminders. Every 30 to 60 minutes, check posture and reset. Step 4. Myofascial release or soft tissue work. Foam rolling or massage for tight hip flexors and lower back can reduce tension. Use trigger point work if needed. Step 5. Breathing and core stabilization. Practice diaphragmatic breathing. One hand on your chest, one on your abdomen. Inhale through your nose, feel your abdomen rise. Exhale slowly through pursed lips, feel your abdomen fall. Start with 5 to 10 minutes few times a day, gradually increasing the duration and frequency. While doing these fixes, avoid these common mistakes. Overarching the lower back when squeezing glutes. Don't push ribs up. Letting neck and shoulders collapse during core or glute work. Skipping flexibility before strength. Tight hip flexors will block glute activation. Inconsistency. 1 or 2 sessions won't cut it. This is about habit, daily awareness, and repetition over time. Here are some ways to make this stick in your life. Set a timer every 30 to 60 minutes at your desk. Stand up, stretch hip flexors, reset posture. Add 5 minutes of stretch plus 5 minutes of glute and core work into your morning or bedtime routine. Use cues like pull belly button towards spine, glutes tight as you stand up. If you drive a lot, do the same stretches right after your commute. Lower cross syndrome is common but very fixable. With consistent work, you can reset your hips, improve posture, reduce lower back pain, and build core strength. Start with just a few of these stretches and strengthening moves daily. Even 5-10 minutes will make a difference over weeks. Try it today, you'll feel the difference. And don't miss the next video. We'll tackle upper cross syndrome for rounded shoulders and neck pain.